How to fix the Instagram verification code not received. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to fix the Instagram verification code not received issue, here are the steps to fix it. First and foremost, you'll have to check the Instagram app's permission. For this, long press Instagram application and go to the app info option. Then after you will land to this page, tap on the second option which is permissions. Now from the allowed section check if the permission for phone, SMS and contacts has been given. If not, tap on it and tap on allow. Once that is done, you can go back to the previous page and tap on storage and cache. After that, tap on clear cache option and it will resolve the potential temporary issues. Next is to check for messages apps permission. For this, head over to the home page and long press your messages application. On the similar manner, go to App Info again and go to Permissions. Now ensure all necessary permissions such as SMS, location, contacts are enabled. This will ensure that SMS messages, including Instagram verification codes, can be received properly. Now that this is done, you can request the verification code again and also ensure your device has a stable internet connection. However, if this does not work, you'll have to go to Instagram app, head over to settings and activity and go to help section. This way, you'll have to reach out to Instagram support for further assistance. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.